everyone, welcome to Vishnu IAS Academy YouTube channel. So in the last session we discussed about the basic concepts of blood relations and the basic blood relation questions we solved. I hope everyone is clear with that. And in the blood relations we are getting some other different type of questions also, like pointing to a photograph, or sometimes we are getting codal blood relations. How to solve these remaining models in a simple way. So what is mean by gender technique, what is mean by generation technique, everything will focus on blood relation part 2. This blood relation concept all obviously very important for CSAT paper 2. If you observe, every previous year paper compulsory we are getting minimum 1 or 2 questions, and sometime based on this blood relation concepts we are getting some extra questions from seating elements and fuzzles also. They are combining blood relation combination with the seating elements. If you observe 2016 paper and 2018 paper, in both years they given blood relation combination with seating elements also. That's why the blood relation basic concept is very important. Every basic concept we discussed in the last class. Similarly, in this session also we will focus remaining other models. Let's see what other questions are there, what other models are there. I already explained what are the basic important relations. Same basic important relations are important in this part 2 also. Same how to draw a family tree. Drawing family tree is also very important for these type of question, but little bit different kind of data we will find how to answer these questions. Let's see the first question from this second model. Clear? So if you read this particular data, very simple manner, very easily we can answer these type of question. But what is the difference compared to last class model questions and this model? Let's see. Amit said Sushma. See, Amit said to Sushma. Amit is saying something to Sushma, and your father's son is the only brother of my sister's daughter. Just you have to understand this data from here to here. Then you can answer. Very simple single line type of question, but very particularly very easily you have to answer this type of question. Let's see. Amit saying, who is saying here? Amit is saying to Sushma. Clear? Amit is saying to Sushma. What that person is saying to Sushma? Yours father means Amit is saying to Sushma means Sushma's father. Yours father's son is yours father. Your father's son is, see, particularly the son, who is that son, that is also important. We don't know Amit and Sushma both are male or female, we don't know here. Very particularly you have to observe. Your father's son is the only condition important. Your father's son, just as it is, whatever data is there we are taking. Your father's son means Sushma's father's son is only brother of my. My means who is telling this data? So Amit is telling this data. So your father's son is only brother of my sister's daughter. Clear? If you take Amit's sister is here, some X person is here. Amit's sister, only brother of my sisters means Amit's sister's daughter. Amit's sister has one daughter. Amit's sister has one daughter. Clear? This son is only brother of my sister's daughter. My sister's daughter only brother is this. Condition is what? Only condition, only brother. Simple. You will get the clarity. You got the complete link here. But what is the question? How is Sushma related to the son of Amit? See, how is Sushma related to son of Amit? See, if you take Amit's son, they are asking about Amit's son, X person is here. How is Sushma related to Amit's son? But actually, what is a particular generation gaps and all these things you have to observe very properly. We have to focus, otherwise you will get the wrong answers. Now, how is Sushma related to? Sushma is here. How is Sushma related to son of Amit? Son of Amit means here Amit. Amit's son is there. First find out Amit to Sushma, what is the relation? That is you have to observe. My sister's daughter is this. My sister's daughter is my niece. Clear? My sister's daughter is my niece. My niece brother is my nephew. Who is nephew now? This person is nephew of Amit. Right? Nephew of Amit. See, who is this person? Nephew. See, this person, nephew and Sushma, both are same generation. That means Sushma can be this daughter, Sushma can be this son. But both, all these three are siblings. All these three are siblings and all these three are the children of this particular person. That means here Amit's nephew is this, and Sushma definitely nephew or niece, depends on gender, but so Amit's nephew and Amit to son's father, this particular nephew to nephew father. See how we will get generally nephew, my brother's son or my sister's son. Here Amit to this person, definitely brother sisters and brother, so brother-in-law, these kind of relations only you will get. But particularly Amit to Sushma, what relation we are getting? Simply, so we are getting nephew niece relation. So my nephew, my niece, you will get. In this particular situation, what is the perfect answer here? What we can decide, particularly if you observe my nephew, my niece, if you take Amit generation is here, Amit generation is here, Amit's son definitely in the next generation only. Amit brother or sister, you can take here, X may be brother or sister, whatever, this particular father, that person's son or daughter is Sushma. Sushma and this person, everything will get in this generation. That means finally Amit's son and this Sushma both are same generation. What relation you will get according to the data? Grandmother is not possible, eliminate. Grandmother, so maternal, paternal, whatever, grandmother is not possible. We have only 2 points, cousin and aunt. Aunt is not possible because aunt means one generation gap should be there. But here we have a same generation. Same generation means directly you can take option, we are left with cousin. Directly this Amit's son to this remaining all other persons, you will get only cousin relation. But don't worry about the gender here because they given directly only cousin. They are not given cousin brother, cousin sister. Even if you don't know the gender of Sushma, directly you can take cousin is the correct answer. Simple but analytical type of question, very particularly, very clearly you have to read the data. It's not completely, not like that basic type of question. In the basic type of question, what they will give an examiner, directly they will give point to point data. But here indirect relations, indirect data they will give. But very, very carefully you have to read and you have to draw the perfect family tree. Let's try one more question here based on the same model. Now if you observe, pointing towards a man, a woman is saying something. Here particularly we are talking about man, obviously male. A woman is saying something. Who is telling here? Woman is talking this particular data. Woman is saying. What this woman is saying, we'll see. His mother means woman is saying about this particular man. See, his mother, this person's mother means in the above generation you will get. His mother is the only daughter, only conditions are important, only daughter of my mother. My mother means this woman's mother, woman's mother means in the above generation we have to take only daughter of my mother. My mother if you take here, but condition is what? This point is very important. What woman is saying, clear? His mother, this person's mother is the only daughter of my mother. Only daughter of my mother. Myself is this woman. My mother's only daughter is myself only. My mother has only one daughter, that is myself. Clear? So that is the point you have to understand. His mother is only daughter of his mother, means this man's mother is, now you have to link both are individual points. His mother is, this person is only daughter of my mother. That means these two are same. That means directly this man is the son of this woman. Now what is the question? How is the woman related to the man? Directly mother. So mother is the correct answer. But you have to understand given data properly. So let's see another question, same model. Now read given data properly. Pointing a photograph, X said to his friend Y. Who is telling here? X is telling to his friend and Y, and they are talking about one particular photograph, right? Pointing to a photograph, X said to his friend Y, she is. Who is telling? X is telling about this photograph. She is means who is there in the photograph is a female. She is the only daughter of. She is the only daughter of the father of my mother. Father of my mother means who is telling? Always in this type of question focus wherever my is there. I am, myself, and these type of words we have to focus particularly. My mother means ex-mother. Ex-mother. She is the only daughter of the father of my mother. Father of my mother obviously is a grandfather. Grandfather of X. My mother's father's only daughter. That means my grandfather's only daughter is already, my mother is a female, so only my mother. We are talking about only this particular person. So once again, particularly observe here, from here to here, she is the only daughter. That means in the photograph, whatever person we are talking, that person is the only daughter of father of my mother. My mother's father is my grandfather. That means my grandfather has only one daughter, that is my mother only. Clear? So obviously my mother we can take here particularly. Now, how is X related to the person in the photograph? In the photograph is definitely X mother. How is X related? About X in the question is there, but X can be male, X can be female. So how is X related to person in the photograph? How is the X related to the person in the photograph? Means that can be daughter, that can be son, both are possible. Whenever both are possible, you can go with cannot be determined is the correct answer for this particular question. So I hope everyone got the clarity how to solve these type of questions also. In the last session we discussed the basic concepts, how to draw a family tree and basic questions. In this session we solve these type of questions. Let's see some other type of questions. So before going to that question, just see guys, from Vishnu IAS Academy we are providing a personalized interview guidance also. Regularly every year we are providing the personal interview guidance also from Vishnu IAS Academy. So recently in a prelims result so many students are cleared. For that students, along with that other students also can attend that particular interview guidance. That is also important guys. You can use these opportunities and let's see another different type of questions from blood relations. Very important model. These type of questions generally we can call as a coded blood relations. Whenever we are solving coded blood relations, you can follow directly family tree method also. For given data we have to draw the family tree. But other than that we have to focus on gender generation technique. Gender techniques are particularly very important. First you have to focus on this. What is mean by gender technique? Most of the times gender techniques very useful. Very rare cases generation technique we can apply. If you apply gender generation technique, every coded blood relation question, if you are getting these type of questions, very easily you can eliminate the option. So elimination techniques we will discuss. That elimination technique, the first technique is gender technique. So without drawing family tree, how to answer, I'll explain. Let's try to understand very important technique, gender technique. So when we have to apply gender technique, always first we have to apply gender technique, but when we have to apply, let's understand given data. All these are the codes. They can give any code, but directly observe the question. What question is there? Which of the following represent A is a father of R? In which of the options A is a father of R? That is you have to find out. In which of the options A is a father of R? What gender we know here? Without drawing any family tree, we have to answer. What is the gender of A? Definitely a father. Who is the father here? A is the father. A is the male. In which option A is a male? That option may be right. In which option A is a female? That is eliminated. This is gender technique. So based on the gender, we have to eliminate the options. So according to the question, A should be male. Wherever A is male, that option may be right. Wherever A is a female, directly it is wrong. Just observe where is A male and female. Only focus only on A. Focus only on A. Other than that, no need to check any other thing if you apply gender technique. If gender technique is not applicable, we will go with other methods also, generation technique and family tree method. But always try to apply gender technique. When you focus on this gender technique, what we can do? See, between A and N we have a symbol into. According to this data, wife. Who is wife here? The first side person, that is a P, is a wife. Wife, just observe wife. A is a wife, A is a female. But we required male. Here it is a female, eliminated directly. Similarly, in the second option also same symbol is there and cross, that means into symbol, again eliminated. Two options are eliminated, right? If you are eliminating at least two options or one option, two option, whatever, it's a time saving thing, but accurately we are getting the answer without any problem. Now on the option 3, we have a divided by. Divided by means a father is a male. This can be chance you may get right answer in the option C, but if you take one more option D also there, we have to verify D also. Just we are verifying, we are eliminating. A minus I. What is minus symbol according to this? Sister. Sister means female again. What we required male. A should be male, but here we are getting female, again eliminated. If all three options are eliminated, we are left with only one option, that is a direct right answer, but no need to verify are you getting the right answer or wrong answer. But if you want to verify, once again, but we cannot draw family tree like basic type of questions. We have to draw, if you want to follow even family tree method, no need to draw family tree in generation wise. In a basically simple way how to draw the diagram. What data is there in option C, we'll see. N into A divided by I minus R. This is the data, but how to verify? No need to verify in the exam. If you are confident, if you have good practice, just if you follow my classes in Vishnu IAS Academy YouTube channel, you will get more and more clarity, and we will provide practice questions also. Along with that, if you follow Vishnu IAS Academy practice questions, definitely, so these type of questions very easy and very simple. You can answer very easily, but more practice is required. Now, if you observe this, how to observe these points? Now, first, we required only A to R relation from here to here. Divided by means what according to the data? Father. Who is a father? A is the father of I. A is a father of I. The next point is a minus. Minus means a sister. Who is sister? I is a sister of R. Now check here. In a basic type of question, we drawn a family tree in a family generation wise. Here it is not required. Directly you have to observe. My sister's father is my father. That means P R's father. Directly A is the father of R. So we are getting the answer directly C. Even if you go with the gender technique, you are getting the answer, or otherwise you can go with this kind of family tree method. But draw a family tree in this manner. No need to draw basic methods, whatever we taken in the session 1. Clear? Now let's take one more question, same coded blood relation type of question, very important. Observe the data, directly go to the question. Which of the following shows that P is maternal uncle? Uncle means male. So, of Q. Maternal uncle of Q. What we have to do here, how to eliminate this? Very clearly we will observe. P should be uncle, male, particularly maternal uncle. We cannot forget this. Sometimes you will get a paternal uncle also, we cannot take right answer. So maternal uncle, first focus gender technique. So focus on gender technique means P should be male. According to given data, P is in the last place, but between M and P we have a cross symbol. Whenever we have a cross symbol like this, between M and P, or whenever P is at the end place, we are focusing only on P. Directly you can eliminate that option, because just see, into means sister. Who is sister is actually here? M is sister, but we don't know the gender of P. We don't know the gender of P. That can be male, that can be female, we cannot decide. Directly you can eliminate that type of question, but very carefully you have to observe the remaining other relations also. Maybe minus means a brother, this person is brother. A plus means what? Plus is a mother. Who is a mother? N is a mother. But whatever you take, we don't know the gender of P. Directly you can eliminate this whenever you will get these type of questions. Now in the remaining all other options also, here also we have P is at the last place, that is a percentage. Percentage means a father. Who is a father? S is a father, but we don't know the gender of P. P can be here. Now, but we will verify these two options also finally. But B and C, if you observe particularly, B plus symbol is there. Plus means a mother. Mother means actually female, but we required uncle means male. So this is directly eliminated because of this symbol plus. Next we have a minus. The minus symbol means what? Is a brother, is a male. So directly we will observe option C first. P minus M plus N into Q. If you want to verify, is it a paternal, maternal? If you want to verify, we will take all the points. Minus means brother. This is a brother. No need to note down everything like basic diagram. And plus means what? Is a mother. This is a mother again. Just you have to observe all these things. Next, into means what? A sister. Here we required P to Q relation. This is sister minus. See, myself is Q, assume yourself is Q. Your sister's mother is your mother only. Right? Your sister's mother is your mother. Up to M is clear. Your mother. Your mother's brother, obviously your uncle. Your mother's brother is uncle. But what type of uncle it is? Mother side, maternal uncle. What is the question? They are asking maternal uncle. But directly, if you apply gender technique, we eliminated 3 options. We are left with only C. But I am not telling every time you will get only these type of simple questions. You will get difficult and moderate questions also. That means we cannot eliminate every option. You can eliminate 1 option or 2 options, but remaining 2 options, we have to follow this particular method. Let's see one more question here. Very simple. Now, same codes are there and question, just focus on the question, but this kind of question is different. Now, observe, compared to previous question, this is the difference. Now, in the expression, how is Q related to T? Directly we can take Q gender, based on that we can eliminate gender, or otherwise we can take a family tree for this given data. Now, first we will try to eliminate. Minus means brother. Wherever you take, Q should be male. So, daughter is a female. Grandson, son, and cannot be determined. Only we are eliminating 1 option. We have to compulsory verify what is the correct answer, grandson or granddaughter, son or some other thing. But whatever, we have to draw the diagram. Or otherwise, we can apply generation technique also. If you have full clarity about the generation gaps and generation, in the starting session we discussed the basic relations. In that I explained about the generations also. If you know that particularly very clearly, you can apply generation technique also. We'll try to apply generation technique as well as basic family tree, how to take. For this expression, T into P divided by R plus Q minus S. Now try to draw the diagram. Now, what is the relation here? We required Q to T. We required here to here. Observe 1 by 1, point to point. First into is there, is a mother. Who is the mother here? This person is a mother. And next divided by means what? Wife. Who is wife? P is wife. If P is wife, R should be husband. P is wife of R, they are telling. Clear? Next plus means what? Father. Who is father? R is the father of Q. Up to this is enough. But if you know the gender of Q, you can find out very easily because they are asking about Q. Now, final point is a minus. Minus means a brother. So, this person is obviously brother. Brother means male. That based on that point only we eliminated this. Daughter is not possible. So, we eliminated either this one, or we can determine. We don't get definitely cannot be determined. Because we can determine both the person gender we know. We can find out answer. Now, let's see how to identify correct answer here. Diagram is completed. 1 by 1 we have to check Q to T. For example, first I am taking Q to T. Then we will take how is Q related to T. Myself is a Q. My father. My father's wife is obviously my mother. My mother's mother is a grandmother. So T is a grandmother of Q. If T is a grandmother, obviously, so Q is male, obviously. Q is the grandchild. That means granddaughter or grandson. So definitely in these two, this is eliminated. Directly this one is the correct answer. Even so Q is a male, directly grandson is the correct answer. Same question if you apply gender technique also, you can eliminate the answer. Gender technique means just try and understand here what is gender technique, what we have to do. Gender technique we know that. Generation technique try to understand here. Generation means generation gap. For example, mother means we will take 1 generation above. That is I already explained in the first session. Plus 1 we have to take for father, mother, uncle and aunt. So here you can take plus 1 directly. Similarly, wife and husband, couples are in same generation. So current generation is 0. And similarly, R2Q, what we have a father. Father means again plus 1. Now, in the generation technique, we have to take numbers based on generation. After taking all these things, take all the additions, plus 1, 0, plus 1. All the addition, what we will get? Plus 2. According to the starting session basic concepts, from 0 generation 2, that is the current generation 2, plus 2 means plus 1 is obviously parents, plus 2 means a grandparents. What we will get? Grandparent answer you will get. Grandparent, who is a grandparent actually? T is a grandparent, Q is a grandchildren. They are asking about Q. That is also very, very important. They are asking about T or Q. We should have very clearly. If you are talking about T to Q, it's a minus 2. This is a plus 2. In this reverse, we will get minus 2. Minus 2 means if you go from 0 to bottom, minus 1, minus 2. Obviously, in the minus 2, we have a grandchildren. Minus 1, first current generation, children, grandchildren. Minus 2 is the correct answer. That is, in all these options, what is the minus 2 generation relation? Only grandson. Daughter is a minus 1, son is a minus 1. This is a grand, minus son, minus 2. But we require more and more practice to apply these type of generation techniques. But the gender technique is very, very important. Focus on gender technique. Later focus on how to answer these type of questions. Let's see one more question based on this data. Observe very particularly. Codes are there. Directly go to the question. Now, which of the following means C is son of M? Again go to the first gender technique. Who is son here? C is son, is a male. Person should be male. If it's a female, if C is a female, directly you can eliminate. Now observe this plus symbol. Plus symbol means a brother. So chance is there, we cannot eliminate. Here also plus is there, again we cannot eliminate. Now let's see. C is in the last place. Mostly you can eliminate this, because we don't know the gender of this particular person. Directly you can eliminate that. And again here again plus is there. See, if you observe, except to C, we cannot eliminate any option from this particular data. Now in this case what we have to do? Definitely we have to focus on the diagram, but very, very carefully how to eliminate options. Now first option we will take M minus N into C plus F. But we required only M to C. How in the which of the following is C is the son of M? So C to M only we have to check. So what relations we have? Just focus here. Minus means what? Sister. Who is sister? M is a sister. Next to into means what? A father. Simply my father's sister. My father's sister. My father's sister is my aunt. But what we required? C should be the son. See, my father is there first, into means father. If my father's sister is my aunt, I am the nephew of M. So, but we required son. So, option 1 eliminated. Next, you will take option 2 also same manner. But very quickly we can draw the find out the answers from the diagrams. F minus C plus N into M. We required from here to here. First, if you focus plus. Plus means what? Brother. This is a brother. Next, into means what? Father. My father's brother is my father's brother is my uncle. If C is uncle for M, but what they are asking? Son. This is also wrong. If all these three are eliminated, can you find directly answer is D? Once 3 options are eliminated, directly you can go with that. But if you want to verify, we can verify that. But in the exam, we cannot do multiple times the same thing. Now, into means what? Father. This is father. And minus means what? Minus means what? Sister. N is sister of C. See, myself is C. Obviously, C already male, because of this place we already eliminated that. Or otherwise, we can take this is a brother, whatever, if you want to draw photo diagram. Now, from C to M, we will check. My sister's father is my father also. Clear? If M is the father of C, how C related to M? Obviously son or daughter, but already C is a male, so definitely son. So direct answer you can take D, but when 3 eliminated, directly you can go with option D. Like this we have to answer these kind of coded blood relations very, very simple way. Just focus on once again watch the same classes and same videos and try to solve some more questions. We will give so many practice questions in the model papers from Vishnu IAS Academy regularly. So utilize that content and try to practice more number of questions. If you have good practice, blood relation questions are very simple and 100% accuracy you will get. Now, so just focus on gender technique, generation technique, and if that is not available, that is not satisfying, so just follow the basic diagrams like this. So I hope up to this everyone clear with all the complete blood relations, different type of questions. In the session 1, we discussed basic concepts complete clear manner, and we discussed some questions how to draw a family tree and how to answer the questions using that particular family tree. In the session 2, in this particular session, we discussed about different models, that is a pointing towards type of questions and coded blood relations. Very, very important thing is how to apply gender technique, how to apply generation technique. So if that two are not applicable, how to draw a family tree in a different manner, in a simple way. I explained very, very clearly. I hope just everyone utilize all this content. Not only this blood relation guys, complete CSAT paper 2, maths part and reasoning part, everything I'll explain very, very clearly in a simple and easy shortcuts, simple and easy method I'll explain. So even if you're a non-math student or even if you're a different kind of students, if you are preparing for UPSC, so definitely in a prelims point of view, CSAT paper 2 is important, but to score 33% of marks, just to follow Vishnu IAS Academy YouTube channel, this CSAT classes, 100% you can score very, very good marks. But if you're watching the first time, so this particular YouTube channel, Vishnu IAS Academy YouTube channel, so please subscribe to this particular channel to regular, you will get the updates, you will, without missing any classes, regularly you can watch my classes. So not only my classes, different kind of classes we are uploading in Vishnu IAS Academy. Utilize that, and this information share to your friends also, for them also it will be very, very useful guys. Along with that, we are providing from Vishnu IAS Academy, we are providing UPSC Perfect Prelims 2021 online test series. If you enroll this test series just for 5,000, you will get complete clear explanation, the best UPSC standard level questions you will get. That's very, very important. But if you enroll early, you will get additional discount also. But if you want to know more details about all these things, you can contact 999977679927 number. You will give complete details also. Along with this, every year from Vishnu IAS Academy, we are giving guidance for prelims like this, as well as we are giving mains interview guidances also. So every year, so very good number of students are clearing from Vishnu IAS Academy. The next coming 2021, you should be the one student from Vishnu IAS should clear UPSC. But if you want to clear UPSC, just regularly follow Vishnu IAS Academy YouTube channel. Definitely you can crack UPSC very, very easily. We will give complete guidance from Vishnu IAS Academy. Thank you friends, thank you all, thank you everyone.